Bitcoin is still trying to hold above 90K, but there's a lot of weakness showing. In this episode, we're going to go over some levels that Bitcoin might be hitting to the downside. Welcome back to Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Right now, it's about 5:40 p.m. Eastern Time, and the price of Bitcoin is 90,322. We take a look at the weekly chart. This is not looking good, guys. This candle right now looks like it's about to turn red. We're falling below the 80 moving average, which is at 90,724. We still have 2 days and 2 hours, so right now, it's a lot of noise. This candle definitely tells the story of what's been happening this week. Really just been going up and down like a seesaw last week as well. You just really see a wick here. You barely even see a body candle. Well, let's see what ends up happening on Sunday. If we could close above the 80 moving average, that would be bullish to me. Again, our goal is to get at least to the 50 moving average. That's currently at 102,224, but by the looks of it, I really don't think that we're going to reach it until the 50 moving average drops to $100,000 or below. So we might still be going here sideways for a couple more weeks. The stochastics look like they could be going up, but they could also roll over. We could still drag here for a very long time. Once again, take a look at these stochastics over here. Look how long we dragged here for. This could possibly happen over here as well. Now, if we take a look at the 3-day chart, the stochastics up here, like they want to continue going up. So far, we are holding above the 200 moving average. The last candle did close green, which is bullish, but look at this new candle. We have a red engulfing candle at the moment. The 200 moving average is at 88,974. This candle closes in 2 days and 2 hours. If we close below the 200 moving average, I would have to say that we will be bearish. This does look like a big bear flag. This could take us down to about 70K. We take a look at the 2-day chart. We see that the stochastics are getting toppy here. We already touched the 21 moving average. This candle closes in an hour and 18 minutes. And as you can see, this is also a red engulfing candle. We have a wick from the candle before. So it's showing that we don't have the strength to get above that 21 moving average at 94,389. We've already been rejected many times from the 94K region. So it doesn't look like we have the strength. I wouldn't be surprised if we do roll over here. And the daily chart, stochastics are toppy. We've been dragging. We're about to roll over. Red engulfing candle as well. This closes in an hour and 20 minutes. We're trying to stay above this 21 moving average, which is at $90,062. If we close below the 21 moving average, I do expect more downside. You guys know that I'm slightly bullish near term, just for us to get to about 97, 98, maybe even 100K. Try to touch this 50 moving average, this red line here. But ultimately, I'm more bearish long term, and I do have this in a bear flag. We're already starting to break the bear flag here a little bit, so I wouldn't be surprised if we start rolling over. This has the measure move to take us to about 70K. We take a look at the other time frames. The 22-hour is already rolling over. The 10-hour is rolling over as well. And the stochastics RSI, we lost the 21 moving average, basically all the averages here. If we take a look at the 8-hour, we also lost the 21 moving average. This is rolling over. Now on the 4-hour chart, this tells us the story. As you can see, it's been a long time before we have been able to test the 200 moving average all the way over here since October. We finally did, and now that we did, what does it show? It shows that we don't have the strength to get above. We tried it here, we got rejected with tweezer tops with this red candle. We tried it here, another tweezer tops. We tried it here, another tweezer tops, and then we just fell all the way down again. Now what I'm seeing here is a possible head and shoulder pattern. I'll be very surprised if this does not break down. Left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder here, and I could see this giving us the measured move to about 85,300. The last time we dropped down was to about 85K or so. So I could see us coming down again and retesting 85K. This is a clear head and shoulder pattern to me. The stochastics are still on the way down. I'll be very surprised if this does not play out. Now on the 1-hour chart, stochastics are low, but it looks like we're about to roll over. We lost all the moving averages here. This definitely looks to me like a bear flag. This is pretty much also going to take us to about 85K. So this is another bearish sign here. And on the 15-minute chart, stochastics are toppy. We're trying to fight to stay above the 21 moving average. We already lost the 200. Once you lose the 200 in the 15-minute, you start to lose some hope. This is also looking like a bear flag. So right now, I would say we would have to stay above 90K to stay bullish. If we lose 90K, especially if we lose 89K, I see us having more downside, possibly to 87 or probably around 85,300. If we can maintain above 90K, then maybe we can make a move up tomorrow. Maybe by Sunday, we could start closing a little bit higher. But right now, it's definitely favoring the bears. All right, guys. So that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe. And if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.